Walking up Edith's Gap. Sun is setting there, and we're together here with Randy. This is what they call not a hike and fly, but a fly and hike. So we drove up, and now we're gonna get the car. So we have some snow left here. It's pretty nice. Take about 30 minutes to go up. It's not too bad. Maybe we can see some deer or a bear. Woo. Well, top of Edith's Gap. Randy did it. Good job, man. Now we're gonna pick up the gliders, because the gliders are right there at the LZ. On the other side, you see the Shenandoah Mountains. In front of us is also Luray, town of Luray. Sun is getting down, really beautiful. See you next time.